Hi beautiful people, today we are making a spiced hibiscus punch, or as you would call it, a sorrel punch. In a large pot, combine the dry hibiscus petals, cinnamon stick, whole clove, orange slices, lemon slices, cranberry, and mixed essence. Add 6 cups of water to the pot. Bring the mixture to boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Once the infusion has simmered, add honey to sweeten the punch. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. Stir well until the sweetener is fully dissolved. Remove the pot from the heat and strain the liquid into a large bowl to remove the solids. Allow the hibiscus infusion to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until cold. Fill glasses with ice cubes. Pour the chilled hibiscus infusion over the ice. Top each glass with a splash of sparkling water for a fuzzy twist. And there you have it, a spiced hibiscus punch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you will be trying the hibiscus punch, type hibiscus in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until next time, take care of yourself.